Hey there, you are here, and this already means a lot to me. A lot of viewers on this channel have been recently asking me for videos about Rust 2 Control. I have learned Rust 2 Control myself, and I know that there is a lot of material out there, a lot of documentation that is accessible, but it's been tough, and there was a lot of confusion for me during my learning process. So that's why I have decided to create a Rust 2 Control course so that you can learn in 7 hours worth of content what would took you otherwise weeks or maybe months to learn. In this course, you will not only learn the details of the Rust 2 Control theory and architecture, and you will not only develop an understanding of how its different components work together in details, but also you will have a chance to implement these principles, these concepts, to control a robotic arm with a mounted gripper in both real life and simulation. And the concepts explained in this course apply to any robotic arm from any brand whatsoever, as long as it's compatible with Rust 2. And I know already that there's a lot of robotic arms out there that are compatible with Rust 2. So I don't know what phase of your life you're in right now, but whether you are a student, a researcher, or a professional who works in robotics, who works with robotic arms, and is interested in learning about this area of Rust 2, then this course was created for you. I have included in the description down below a link that will take you to a short survey that I would really appreciate if you can fill out. This will help me refine the content, the structure, and decide on a fair pricing for the course. So thank you very much for helping me make something valuable for you and for the Rust 2 community in general. So, cheers.